Welcome to this channel. Today I'll show you how to download World Bank approved administration boundary of any country, including international boundary, coastal line, and lakes. Let's go to the web where we download the data. World Bank official boundary. When you write this one, then click here on World Bank official boundary. Once the web is open, you can see World Bank official boundary page here, and the metadata last update is written here. On this web, we can get World Bank approved administrative boundary in a polygon form, including international boundary, disputed area, coastal line, lake, and a guideline to help with the usage of those data. Those data are available in different formats: geodatabase, GeoJSON, shapefile, and API. So you can download in any format that you want. When you go down, we see different data. World Bank official boundary here is World Coastal Line, World Disputed Boundary in different formats in Polygon as well as also in GeoJSON. So look at those data. The coverage of the data is world, and there is a granularity list which is in national and nationals, and periodicity is also mentioned here, which is annual. Let's start downloading the data. Start by downloading world land area, and so data is downloading, and let's go to another data. Download world coastal line, and also one more data which is world country polygon. So we download 3 data. Let's go to the folder where we download the data. So go to download. So here we have 3 folder in zip format. Let's unzip those extracts. Once we extract all folders, I remove the zipped one, and let's open those data in ArcGIS. To open those data in GIS, we have to open ArcMap, and this one is ArcMap. So let's open those data. Download coastal lines, add. So this map shows the world coastal line, and I remove this one and import other data that we download from the web. It imports world land area, and this show the world land area, and we can remove this one and check other data that we download, which is World Bank approved administration boundary. This one is the World Bank approved administration boundary. Let's zoom in and see at some of the country. Click here, and if we click on this one, you can see the polygons names are sovereignty country, Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia. We can see other country as well. Go to here and click on this one, these polygons, which shows Republic of Poland, and we can click here to look at the Russian Federation as well as also other country. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.